How's it guys? I'm Joe and welcome to my first video tutorial for trading crypto. I'm going to be posting it on YouTube, but I'll post it first into the Crypto Cartel Learning Group on Discord. Today's lesson is going to be the first in a 6 or 7 video series for price action. Obviously this is my first vid, so critique me, tell me where I can improve. I'd love to put out stuff there that you guys, really enjoy. But basically, yeah, let's get straight into it. So price action. What is price action? And how does it help you? So price action is the historical data that gets printed onto a chart. And then being able to read what's happening to the price so that you know in which type of market you're in. Price actions, actually, when I break it down now, you'll see just how basic it is to understand. But obviously, as the videos progress, you'll start seeing how it ties into all the rest of the indicators and to all the rest of the TA that I do put out on Twitter. So yeah, let's get straight into it. When I look at a chart, my TA, like I've always said to you guys, I start looking on daily charts, especially on alts, but even on Bitcoin. I look at everything on a daily chart, and the first thing that I do always is basically just go through price action and try to decide whether we're in a bullish market or whether we're in a bearish market or whether we're just ranging. And that's basically what price action is. It just helps you understand in which type of market you're in, so that when you do get down to smaller time frames, you can make better decisions of entry and exit points in each trade. So what I like to do is I like to get rid of all the noise so that I'm not biased. I even go as far as changing this into a line graph. What's nice about a line graph is obviously I don't feel biased at all. I can't look at candlestick formations. I basically can just see the bare bones of what's happening in the market. Okay, so let's get straight into this. We've got 3 types of markets. We've got a bullish market, or a market that's in an uptrend. We've got a bearish market, which is a market that's in a downtrend. And then we've got a ranging market, which is the sideways moving market. Now, obviously, you need to know in which phase of a market you're in, so that you can make relatively safe trades. And before I get into a little bit further, just purely looking at this, let's just mark out everything and then recap it again. So here we're in a bullish market or an uptrending market. We then got a sideways or ranging market, and then we've got a downtrending or bearish market. All right, and the way that you can break it down further or make it easier for yourself to understand is you need, first of all, to understand that markets don't just go up and they don't just go down. Right? Markets move in waves. Some traders call it steps. I like calling it waves. Just remove all this. Cool. And this is what I mean by the wave action that the market prints as it moves. And for price action, all you need to understand are these basics. Right. So, as you can see, you have waves in a bull market and you have waves in a bear market. And what the market is showing you is that price goes up, which people call a push, and then the market comes back down, which people call a retracement, or some people call it a pullback. You'll have another push, and you'll have a pullback, another push, and a pullback, right? This basically shows you you're in a bull market, and the way that you can mark it out is literally using horizontal lines. So you can mark out all the highs, right? And then you can mark out all the lows. Okay. And the reason why, or the way that you know that you're in a bullish or an uptrending market, is that each high would be higher than the previous high. So the market would be printing a higher high, right? And each low will actually be higher than the previous low. So it would be printing higher lows. Okay? And as long as you understand that, you'll then know the overall trend in which the market's in. Right? And there's the last one. It even does kind of do another last one there where you've got another high, you've got another low. And all of these, obviously, this one's higher than the last one, this one's higher than that one. So that's market one, which is the bull market. In the bear market, you'll still have these pushes and pullbacks, although this time the price is going down. And if you do bring in your horizontal lines here, right, you'll see that you still have highs in a bear market, right? The only difference is that you have lower highs. Alright? My L's look really bad. Excuse my L's. So you'll have lower lows printing as well, and you'll have lower highs. Okay, so that's in a nutshell. That's the bear market. If we look at the recent price action on Go, you can see that we did find a bottom over here. We did find a bottom, and then price actually broke up. Now, I mean, this could be seen as the last high in the bear cycle or the bear market run, and then this would be the lower low. But when the market then did come back up, you've now got a new high, right? And you've got a new low. And this low is higher than the previous low, and this high is higher than the previous high, right? So basically the market has reversed, and literally we are now in a new high, which is higher than the previous high. So we know that we are in current bull market. And that's basically it. Now the reason why this is very important is obviously it helps you understand which trend you're currently in. And understanding which trend you're currently in is not going to get you stuck. It's not going to get you stuck in a place where the market catches you. So in other words, you believe, and 9 out of 10 times what you've seen is this is all hype on Twitter or on the news or in a group or on a Telegram, and the guys are basically in a losing position, and they're trying to get you just to buy up that position so that they can dump and it will continue. So obviously that's one thing to be careful about. So if you do see hype on Twitter, or if you get hype in a Telegram, just remember the basics. Find out first which market you're in. Are we trending down? Are we trending up? Use this basic, simple procedural steps that you can follow to understand where you are in the market, so that you don't get caught out, by the hype. And yeah, I mean that's it. That's the end of the first cast. Quite a nice short video, 10 minutes. I'll try to keep them all 10 minutes. So yeah. Let me know if you guys enjoy it. Let me know what I can change. I have got a small issue with my mic, which I'm working on. But yeah, hopefully the next one will be better quality. And good luck trading. Cheers.